Money success, then money rules. In the past, I faced the frustrating challenge of accumulating bills without enough money to pay them off. If you've been in this situation, you know how stressful and difficult it can be. The good news is that I was able to overcome it, and you can too. In today's video, I'll be sharing valuable tips, tricks, and strategies to help you escape this situation and improve your personal finances. So, stay tuned for these helpful insights. But before we dive into the topic, I kindly ask you to subscribe to Investing Alpha and show your support by hitting the like button. Number 1. Track your expenses. Making sure you stay on top of your expenses should be a primary focus in your financial management. This practice ensures that every single expenditure is accounted for and helps identify any wasteful spending patterns. Regularly tracking your expenses allows you to maintain control over your finances, foster better habits such as saving and investing, and eliminate unnecessary costs. As Peter Drucker famously said, "If you can't measure it, you can't manage it." Take charge of your spending habits by examining your expenditure categories, prioritizing essential expenses, and cutting back on non-essential ones. You might discover unused memberships or more cost-effective alternatives for certain hobbies. By implementing this method, you not only save money but also gain valuable insights. There's really nothing to lose by giving it a try. Number 2. Create a budget plan. While budgeting may seem like a tedious task, its benefits are well worth the effort. Don't be discouraged by the paperwork involved. Instead, focus on the positive impact it can have on your financial well-being. Once you establish a budgeting routine, consistency is key to success. To avoid losing momentum, make sure to regularly update and review your budget. Fortunately, digital apps and software can simplify this process, and there are excellent free options available online. Remember that creating a budget is just the beginning. Actively maintaining it is crucial. Store it digitally, keep it up to date, and take advantage of the convenience that technology offers. If you're interested, I've prepared a free savings and budgeting guide for you, accessible through the link in the description. Number 3. Limit unplanned spending. Impulse buying may provide temporary satisfaction, but it often leads to unnecessary purchases. It's time to break this habit and adopt better financial practices. When faced with a temptation to make an unplanned purchase, try incorporating the 1% rule. According to these guidelines, wait a day before buying anything that exceeds 1% of your annual gross income. For instance, if you earn $60,000 per year, give yourself a day's pause before purchasing anything over $600. This rule specifically applies to discretionary spending on non-essential items. Use the 24-hour cooling-off period to reassess the purchase and determine if it's truly necessary. You may discover that the desire to buy it diminishes after the waiting period. Remember to apply this strategy during your next shopping experience. Number 4. Save for important purchases. Don't let a tempting advertisement for a $4,000 90-inch flat-screen TV lead you into making an impulsive purchase. Remember the practice wisdom rule. Wait 24 hours before buying something. If you genuinely want that TV, experts advise using money from a dedicated savings account rather than relying on a credit card loan. Saving up for a big purchase offers several advantages, such as the potential to negotiate a lower price or better financing terms. It may also be wise to consider loans for appreciating assets like a home, or to avoid depleting your savings or investment accounts. By saving up, you ensure that your daily life isn't disrupted by a sudden expense, leaving you with little to spend. So, start saving for your desired item and make a thoughtful decision. Number 5. Learn about finance. The saying holds true: if you want to keep something hidden, put it on paper. Sadly, Many people overlook the power of reading. Ignoring valuable information like that found in books can hinder their path to success. Continuous learning sharpens skills, and financial literacy is a key advantage. It equips us with knowledge and abilities to effectively manage our finances, from budgeting to saving, borrowing, and investing. This empowers us to achieve financial goals and establish stability. It's like having a superpower that puts you in control of your financial destiny, providing a sense of comfort and confidence. So embrace the power of reading and unlock the possibilities for a secure financial future. Number 6. Lower your monthly necessities. Cutting your monthly spending is one of the simplest methods to gain financial control. While fixed costs such as rent and car payments may be more difficult to cut without substantial lifestyle adjustments, you can be adaptable and economical when it comes to variable expenses such as clothing and entertainment. You can save money on energy bills by using less power, switching to a different insurance provider, or taking advantage of bulk grocery savings. It's critical not to accept a loan merely because you're qualified based on your income and credit. The bank only analyzes declared income and credit report debts and is unaware of any other financial obligations that may interfere with prompt payments. Assess whether a monthly payment aligns with your income and existing responsibilities before committing to it. Number 7. Avoid takeout. Making your own meals might be a cost-effective option. You can save money by lowering your dependency on takeaway and dining out. While the odd splurge at a fancy restaurant is acceptable, preparing meals at home or bringing packed lunches to work instead of eating out on a regular basis can result in significant savings. Making a weekly meal plan can help to streamline the process. Plan your meals for the week ahead and commit to sticking to them. Even if you don't consider yourself a great cook, the internet is a treasure trove of culinary information and recipes to peruse. Begin with making at least one meal each week at home and progressively integrate carrying lunches to work. You will be pleasantly surprised at how much money you may save. Number 8. Pay off your debt. Having too much debt, especially in high-interest credit cards, can be an expensive mistake. Prioritizing debt repayment is critical for improving your financial status and opening up new prospects. Begin by identifying all of your current bills, including credit cards, student loans, and vehicle loans, and calculating the minimum payments for each. Making merely minimum payments, on the other hand, will not result in immediate debt relief. Examine your fixed costs and set aside some of your leisure spending for debt repayment. The sooner you pay off your debt, the more space you'll have in your monthly budget. Remember, the credit card is a top priority because it accumulates over time and is difficult to eliminate. Number 9. Stop using credit cards. While credit cards provide convenience and opportunity for credit building, misusing them can lead to financial ruin. Excessive reliance on credit cards when trying to meet monthly expenses leads to debt, jeopardizing your financial goals and retirement funds. Reducing reliance on credit cards is critical for regaining control. Consider options include opening a short-term savings account for large purchases or leaving your credit card at home to avoid impulsive spending. Many people acquire a habit of relying on credit cards because they believe their money is swiftly disappearing. To interrupt the loop, avoid using credit cards totally until you have the wisdom and maturity to manage them correctly. Number 10. Continue to spend quickly. If you're struggling with credit card debt or other financial issues, a spending fast may be the solution. During a spending fast, you refrain from making non-essential purchases for a set amount of time. This effective strategy enables you to reduce your expenditure and restore financial control. You can apply these ideas to your spending and saving habits to enhance your financial well-being, similar to detox or cleansing fast for the body. A spending fast, which typically lasts a month, focuses on key categories such as food, transportation, and recurring expenses. By taking on this challenge, you can increase your savings, change your habit, and better distinguish between needs and wants. It has the power to change your attitude toward money. Remember that following these principles can have a big impact on your financial journey. If you liked this video, please like and subscribe to our channel for more useful personal content. Take charge of your finances, make sound financial decisions, and watch your wealth grow. Stay tuned for more tips and methods to help you reach your financial objectives. Once again, thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.